As an owner of a flatted factory unit, you will find it helpful to understand the basics of property tax. Let's find out more. Property tax is a tax on immovable properties, and it applies whether or not your property is rented out, owner-occupied, or vacant. So how is your property tax calculated? You apply a tax rate of 10% to the annual value of your property. The annual value is the estimated gross annual rent of your property, assuming that it is rented out. You cannot deduct from this estimated gross annual rent the expenses for repair, insurance, maintenance, and upkeep of the property and all other taxes other than goods and services tax. If your property is rented out, it does not follow that the actual rent becomes the annual value of your property. IRAS will look at the recently transacted rents of similar units within your building to arrive at the estimated market rent for your unit. If there are no transacted rents within your building, IRAS will look at the recent rents of units in similar buildings in the vicinity. This way of determining the annual value by looking at the rents of similar properties is known as the rental comparison method. Where the properties being compared are not identical, IRAS will make adjustments to their rents to account for differences such as location, size, specifications, and condition to arrive at the annual value of your property. Let's run through an example on how the rental comparison method is applied. You own an industrial unit in XYZ building and use it for storage of goods. To estimate the market rent of your unit, IRAS will first consider recently transacted rents within XYZ building. If there is no recently transacted rent in XYZ building, IRAS will look at recently transacted rents in similar neighboring buildings. We usually observe a higher rental rate for a property that is smaller in size or has better specifications and condition or better connectivity to major transport modes. The way IRAS determines the annual value of your property in XYZ building involves looking at other similar units with recently transacted rents and adjusting the rents to account for differences such as location, size, specifications, and condition. IRAS regularly monitors the industrial property market and reviews the annual value of properties to ensure that they are in line with market conditions. Where recently transacted rents show that the existing annual value of your property is now higher or lower than the current market rent, IRAS may revise the annual value of your property to bring it in line with the prevailing market conditions. If there are additions and alterations to your industrial property, or a change in use to your industrial property, the estimated market rent for your property may also change. When IRAS revises the annual value, IRAS will send you a valuation notice to inform you of the change. You need to make payment within 1 month of the issue of valuation notice. Your property tax is payable annually. You will receive your property tax bill by December every year, and payment is due on 31st January of the following year. You can choose to pay by gyro to enjoy up to 12 months of interest-free monthly installments. You can also pay by AXS, SAM, or internet banking. Visit the IRAS website for more information.